In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear contents but keep formulas. If you've ever worked on a spreadsheet that contains both typed-in values and formulas, you probably know how easy it is to accidentally remove the wrong thing. Sometimes you want to wipe out the data you entered manually. But you still need all of your formulas to stay in place, so the sheet keeps working properly. The good news is that T here is a very quick way to do that. To begin, select the data you want to work with. You can press Ctrl and A once or twice, depending on your spreadsheet and how your data is arranged. In many cases, pressing it once will select the current table or data range, and pressing it again will select the entire worksheet. If you only want to clean up a specific section, make sure that section is selected before moving on. Taking a second here to confirm your selection is important, because whatever is selected will be affected by the next steps. Next, open the Go To window by pressing Ctrl and G, or F5 if you prefer. Both shortcuts bring up the same menu. Once that window appears, look for the Special button and click it. This opens a more advanced selection tool that allows you to target specific kinds of cells instead of treating everything the same. That's the key to removing only entered values while leaving formulas untouched. In the Go to Special dialog box, choose the option called Constants. This tells the spreadsheet to select only cells that contain fixed values, such as text, numbers, or other manually entered content. Formula cells are not included in this selection, which is exactly what makes this method so useful. After selecting constants, confirm the dialog box, and then press the Delete key on your keyboard. As soon as you do, the selected constant values will be cleared out, while any formulas in the selected area will remain exactly where they are. This is a great technique for resetting an input sheet, preparing a template for reuse, or cleaning up data without breaking calculations. If you want to be extra careful, it's always a good idea to save your file first or make a copy before making large changes. That way, if you clear more than intended, you can easily go back. And that's all it takes to clear contents while keeping formulas in your spreadsheet. Once you've used this method a few times, it becomes one of those shortcuts you'll rely on all the time. Thanks for watching.